In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple CRM in Notion. If you want an organized way to manage contacts, track conversations, and stay on top of sales opportunities, Notion can be a great lightweight solution. The goal here is to build a clean, practical CRM that helps you keep everything in one place without making the setup feel overwhelming. Start by creating a brand new page in Notion that will serve as your CRM workspace. This page is going to be the home for your contact management system, so give it a clear title that makes it easy to find later. Keeping your workspace focused from the beginning makes the rest of the setup much easier to maintain. Once that page is ready, add a database for your contacts or clients. This database will be the core of your CRM because each entry will represent a person, company, or lead you want to track. Think of it as your master list where all relationship and sales information will live. Next, add the key properties you'll need to keep each record useful and easy to scan. Include fields for name, company, email, phone, status, and last contact date. These properties give you the basic structure needed to quickly understand who someone is, where they work, how to reach them, and what stage the relationship is in. The last contact date is especially helpful because it gives you a simple way to see when someone may need a follow-up. After that, create a pipeline view so you can visualize where each lead or client stands. Set up stages such as lead, contacted, proposal, won, and lost. A pipeline view makes your CRM feel much more actionable because instead of just looking at a list of names, you can immediately see progress and movement across your sales process. Inside each client or lead page, add notes to capture important details. This is where you can store conversation summaries, preferences, meeting takeaways, or anything else you want to remember later. Keeping notes directly inside each record helps reduce context switching and makes every interaction easier to pick up where you left off. Then create follow-up reminders or tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. This turns your CRM from a static database into a working system that supports action. Even a simple reminder can make a big difference in staying consistent. You can also filter your views by active leads, clients, or follow-ups. This makes it easier to focus on exactly what needs your attention at any given moment instead of sorting through everything manually. Finally, review your CRM regularly. A CRM only works if it stays current, so make it a habit to update statuses, log contact activity, and check upcoming follow-ups. With regular use, your Notion CRM can become a reliable tool for managing relationships and growing sales opportunities.